This lesson plan is prepared for class 11, chapter number 11, properties of matter. The topic is thermal expansions in solids. First is linear expansion. Linear expansion of the solid. It is the increase in the length per unit length for 1 degree rise in the temperature. Alpha equal to L2 minus L1 upon L1 within bracket theta 2 minus theta 1 K minus 1. For example, a solid metal of length 100 meter is heated from 60 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius. The new length measured after heating is 101 meter. What is the linear expansion? Alpha can be calculated by using formula L2 minus L1 upon L1 within bracket theta 2 minus theta 1. It is equal to 1 by 4000 equal to 0.000025 K minus 1. An areal expansion can be found by using formula A2 minus A1 upon A1 within bracket theta 2 minus theta 1. This can be rearranged to calculate change in the area. A2 minus A1 equal to beta A1 theta 2 minus theta 1 equal to beta A1 into theta, or calculate the final area of A2 equal to beta A1 theta minus A1 equal to A1 within bracket 1 plus beta theta. And third one is volume expansion of solids. Gamma equal to V2 minus V1 upon V1 within bracket theta 2 minus theta 1. V2 minus V1 equal to gamma V1 theta, or V2 equal to V1 within bracket 1 plus gamma theta. For this equation, A2 minus A1 equal to beta A1 theta 2 minus theta 1 equal to beta A1 theta. We can substitute beta. A2 minus A1 equal to 2 alpha A1 within bracket theta 2 minus theta 1 equal to 2 alpha A1 theta. Similarly, V2 minus V1 equal to gamma V1 theta, or V2 minus V1 equal to 3 alpha V1 theta. The relation among alpha, beta and gamma can be given by beta equal to 2 alpha and gamma equal to 3 alpha, or alpha is to beta is to gamma equal to 1 is to 2 is to 3. Liquid expansion. Liquids do not have length and surface area, so only volume expansion applies to the liquids. Real absolute cubic expansion of the liquid is the increase in the volume per unit rise in the temperature. Apparent cubic expansion increase in the volume per unit rise in the temperature when the liquid is heated in an expansible vessel. Real expansion is normally greater than apparent because the container also expands, and that must be considered. Real expansion equal to apparent expansion plus cubic expansion. Gamma R equal to gamma A plus gamma. Thermal expansion of gases. Gases expand when they are heated, just like solids and the liquids. We can understand this by using the kinetic model of gases. The diagram below shows some gases in the cylinder fitted with a piston. At first, the gas is cold and its particles press weakly on the piston. When the gas is heated, its particle moves faster. Now they push greater force on the piston and push it upward. The gas has expanded. The first cylinder shows the cold gas, and the second cylinder is showing the gas after heating. The upward force of the gas is balanced by the downward force of the piston. So in this situation, the pressure of the gas is remain constant as it has expanded. So for a fixed mass of a gas at constant pressure, the volume of gas is directly proportional to the increase in the temperature of the gas. This is called Charles' law. If the piston did not move, the volume of the gas remains constant when it was heated, but in this case its pressure would increase. Anomalous expansion of water. Water does not expand continuously with temperature rise. From 0 degrees Celsius to 4 degrees Celsius, water tends to contract, or rather the volume decreases until it reaches 4 degrees Celsius. From 4 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius, it expands normally as most liquid. The density of water gradually increases as we cool it. When we reach at 4 degrees centigrade, its density reaches a maximum. The below graph explains this behavior. In this graph, on x-axis we have taken a temperature, and on y-axis density gram per centimeter square. Initially, as the temperature increased from 0 degree to 4 degree centigrade, the volume of the water decreases and the density increases. But after 4 degree centigrade, the volume of the water starts increasing and the density of water decreases.